Hi, I'm Bob Saul, Lithofin Technical Manager. Today what we're going to run through is our hard case kit, which is a BE5. Now this is for our natural stone worktops, and what we'll do is you may have been left one of these hard case kits with your supplier of your granite worktops, and this basically is a kit to maintain your worktop and also to top up the sealer when required. So in the hard case kit, we've got three products. We've got Lithofin Easy Clean, which is our day-to-day cleaner, spray cleaner. We've got Lithofin Power Clean, which is our occasional deep cleaner if required. And then we've got Lithofin MN Stain Stop, which your top may have already been sealed with, to top up when required. In the kit, we've also got a spray nozzle. So let's have a quick look at day-to-day cleaning. Now you may have been told to leave your worktops maybe 24-48 hours after they've been installed, and that's just to let off any for the sealers to cure and give full repellents, water and all for you. But Lithofin Easy Clean, what we're going to do is just take this cap off. You're going to take your straw and just pop that into the head of the sprayer, slide that over, screw that top down, and then just turn this nozzle, and hopefully that should then give us product. Now again, if you've been cooking, cleaning, baking, you've got some smears on the top or around the drying area on these grooves, take a microfiber cloth, spray it down, let it dwell for a couple of seconds, move that around, take up those day-to-day greases or fingerprints, things like that, turn the cloth over, and then simply start to buff. The alkaline cleaner will degrease the surface very well, and then that will buff back to a nice shine, or if you've got hone finish, it will just take that back to a finished product. So that's your day-to-day cleaner. You can use that whenever you like. Lithofin Power Clean. Now this is for occasional use. Maybe you've had pots and pans draining on this drainer. It might have left you slight watermarks. You might have been baking or and you've got some light greases in the surface. You've used your Easy Clean, it's not quite getting it out. So we step up to the Power Clean. We might dilute this maybe 1 to 10. Go over maybe with a white pad or a soft brush into the drainers if that's just getting a bit lighter, and hopefully that will lift that out for you. So it's for occasional use. We've also got the Lithofin Stain Stop. So maybe, dependent on how you maintain these tops, you might need to put this in maybe every year or every 4 to 5 years. It really depends on how much use, what you're maintaining it with, to when you need to reseal. So the stain stop is applied, it's saturated and then removed, and that will top up that water and all repellents. There are videos for you on all of these products on the sealing of the natural stone worktops or deep cleaning and renovation. So check those out if you need to. We've also got online on our website, we have a method statement specifically for natural stone worktops, and that will present you all of these products you're using and also tell you what not to use. But the main thing is our technical number. So you can speak to ourselves if you have any problems with maintaining these surfaces or applying these products. Just stop before you do anything. Give us a call, we'll run through, or have a look at the videos, we'll run through with you how to use them, or if you've got problematic oil marks, we may need to use some other products, but yeah, call us, we'll chat with you, and hopefully get you back up and running. If you, like I say, if you need any information, do contact us. Thank you very much.